Hello everyone, this is Dipankar. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to change the case of text and text alignment in Microsoft Word. So let's begin. Alright, welcome back. So first of all, we have to select the text, then go to Home tab, then click on Change Case. There are 5 types of case like sentence case, lower case, uppercase, capitalize each word, toggle case. First I select sentence case. You see here, it follows the sentence rule, like the first letter of sentence is capital. Then select again the text, go to Home tab, change case option. If I choose lower case, all letter will be in small letter. All letter. It doesn't follow the sentence rule. Select again, go Home tab, change case. If I select uppercase, all letter will be capital letter. Then select change capitalize each word. You can see here carefully that first letter of every word is capital letter here. If I change to it toggle case, the first letter of each word will be in small letter. It is opposite to capitalize each word. Feel free to experiment with different options to suit your needs. In this segment, I will guide you through text alignment. Firstly, select text you want to align. Now go to Home tab. Look for alignment options in the paragraph group. You will find icons for left aligned, center alignment, right alignment, and justify. Choose the alignment that suits your document. Left align for a standard look, center align for center appearance, right align for right aligned look, and justified for equal space on both sides. Let's try one by one. First, we want to right alignment. So click on right align or press Ctrl+R shortcut key on the keyboard. You can see here this is called right alignment. Next, select text. To center it, just click on center or use shortcut key. This is Ctrl+E on the keyboard. This is called center alignment. Then select again. For left alignment, click on left align or Ctrl+L as a shortcut. To justify the text, select text and click on justify or use shortcut key Ctrl+J on the keyboard to apply justified. See here, both sides are equal. It's that simple. Play around with these options to format your text the way you want. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video. Thank you.